Mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe Emmerson Mnangagwa aiwa wokola maeditors panapa aiwa nemasenators vatoona kuti aiwa obuda pachena anyatso kutaura mashoko achiti aiwa is resigning aiwa at the end of his 2 terms zisanapera mashoko abvunziwa aiwa nevakomana aiwa maeditors panguva ino vanyatso kubvunzira for maZimbabweans at large kuti aiwa what is the current position hatizodi zvekuzonzi vana vazonzi vakakuta zvisizvo kuti bosubscribe like utombe bell icon tipina mzimbabwe mudanikwa muchinzi I need a bit of help here to understand you clearly. I know the whole country needs to pronounce yourself clearly. You have said, and you have restated this point that you will leave when your term ends, or you know when you leave, the day and time. But like my colleague here said, there is still a lot of confusion. There is 2030 people were saying you should extend your term to 2030. Can you state and pronounce your position clearly for the whole nation, for the international community, for us, so that when we write our stories, we have the proper information? What is your opinion? When you leave, when are you leaving? Say, I thought you are putting me very clear that I have 2 terms, and these terms are very definite. Mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe angachipindura apa anoendera mberi achiti, and I'm so democratic. When they come to an end, I'll step aside, and my party will let my successor. That is as clear as day. Those who have other imaginations, it's a democratic society for people to dream, says Mnangagwa. Ndomwe mashoko anobuda panapa mutungamiri wenyika aiwa anyatsobuda pachena kuti aiwa 2 terms dzake dzikatongokwana aiwa anobva step down. Tudze mafunguro emo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi pina comment section yedu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.